The 5 tools you need as a startup developer. Hello everyone and welcome back to Computer Bytes. My name is Awuyemi Victor, and in this video I want to explain to you guys the 5 tools that you need to have as a startup developer. The number one tool is a good laptop and an internet connection. So this is very essential to have, because there is no way you can start programming or you can start development without having a good laptop. But for basic programming language developers like HTML, CSS, I think you can also start with your phones. There are some free tools which you can use, which you can install on your phone. If you have a good mobile phone, you can install some tools like. So before I proceed further, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime we publish new videos every Saturday. Now, there are some free tools that you can install on your mobile phone, like Thermos, which is easy to install and set up on any Android device of your choice, and it makes programming more easier for you as a developer, as a startup developer, in case you don't have a laptop. So, and you need to have a good internet connection, and this is very important because you are going to be making use of Google and Stack Overflow, most importantly, which is the number 2 tools that you need to have as a startup developer. Now, Google and Stack Overflow is one of the most important tools that you need to know how to use. Not just having these tools, we already have it in our arms, but you need to have the knowledge and the idea of how to make use of Google and Stack Overflow to solve problems and to search for some stuff, because in programming learning never ends. Yes, there will be a point in your programming journey that you get stuck, and there are a lot of developers that have already had that same issues in the past. So you going to Stack Overflows, you going to Google, searching for those keywords, related keywords regarding the problems you are having, will go a very long way in helping you to solve the issues you are having in your code. Thirdly, books and tutorials. There are lots of books, resources and tutorials online that you can watch and read a lot. You can check the bios to free resources that you can use as a startup developer. Number 4 is VS Code. VS Code is popularly used by majority of developers all around the world, and you need to know how to use it. So there are a lot of tutorials you need that you can watch online that explains to you how to install VS Code on your laptop, on your system, and how to set everything up and configure it as a developer. So VS Code is very important and is very crucial to use as a startup developer. The last tools you need as a startup developer is GitHub. So GitHub gives us the flexibility as a developer to save all our codes and compile everything in one account. And the most important features and how this is going to help you in your programming journey is that a time will come when maybe you want to get hired by some client or by company. What they will request, the first thing they will request for is your GitHub, and that is the reason why you need to make sure that everything you are doing right from day one, you are saving it on your GitHub account. So it's very crucial as a startup developer to know and learn how to use GitHub and how to commit your messages using the right commit messages, using the right git push, and how to make sure that you are saving all your projects in one account, or we will be explaining that in our next video. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell icon, and share these videos to your friends and family members. See you guys in the next video. Have a nice day.